Bonjour, je m'appelle Safubafo. Welcome. How to make Gari Foto. The ingredients that you may need are on your screen. After washing, cutting everything, here. First, add your little oil. We need only little oil. Too much of oil will make it eba or banku. While the oil is on fire, add your chopped onion. Let the onion be fried or cooked for 2 minutes and add your chopped garlic to it. After adding the chopped garlic, wait for another 2 minutes and add your chopped pepper to it. Stir for another 2 minutes and then add your spring onion to it. After another 2 minutes, let the chopped fresh tomato follow. Cover it and let it cook for another 3 minutes. Afterwards, peel carrot legume and let it cook for another 2 or 3 minutes while covering it. After that, let the green pepper and the red pepper follow. Gari is a popular food in Ghana, Nigeria, Benin, Togo, Guinea, Cameroon, Liberia, etc. Then add your green round beans to it. After that, let it cook for another 2 minutes and then add your shrimps powder and fish powder to it. After that, add your tuna, or if you don't have tuna, add sardine. It will give you almost the same taste. Then add salt to taste. If the status of your economy cannot buy tuna in a can, then you can buy our wire in the market. Next, we are going to fry our eggs. These eggs came from Safubafo Poultry Farm. Quality with affordability. Let's move to the Gari. The Gari, we need only little water. Don't make it pacha. We need only little water to make it moist or slightly wet. If you add too much water to it, you are going to have banku foto or eba foto. Now add your eggs and mix it with the vegetable stews. After that, the Gari follows. The quantity of the Gari shouldn't overpower the quantity of the vegetable stews. Otherwise, you are going to have different results, different taste. The left Gari, I did not use it. If you have a benkwai or nkatinkwai tomorrow, you can use it to eat it. After mixing everything in the stew, switch off the fire. You are invited. The taste was superb. Thank you for watching Safubafo TV. Please subscribe, like, comment, and bye-bye.